guys, welcome back to my channel. To be honest, I'm shooting this video for the second time now because first time कुछ problem हो गई थी and then the whole video is like छोड़ो, let's not talk about it and let's just get started with the video. So आप लोगों को मैंने questions पूछने के लिए बोले थे Instagram पे that if you guys are like interested, please ask me questions and I'll answer all the questions related to me or related to anything. So काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आया ना. I'm like really happy about it. I'm like yeah, मेरी बहुत अच्छी ऑडियंस है YouTube पे. I was like a little scared in the starting कि मतलब करूँ या नहीं करूँ, questions मिलेंगे या नहीं and all of that. But then I really wanted to do this video since like a really long time. And then here I am doing it right now. Obviously I didn't take all the questions because बहुत बड़ी हो जाती है video. So the first question we have here is by Bhaumik, who's my society friend. His question is, meeting your friends or meeting a celebrity? Oh my god, obviously meeting your friends. Like it's been such a long time I didn't meet any of my friends and then I'm like I'm like really sad about it. I really want to meet them. And yes, meeting my friends. And अगर ये lockdown वाला scene नहीं होता तो meeting a celebrity with my friends, I would have chose that. Second question is by Vinith. Vinith is my cousin. Hi Vinith. What would you choose for your YouTube video, emotions or logic? The ones who know me, they must be knowing I am a totally emotional person, and for me emotions come like in the first place. Matlab, I understand logic and all is also important, but then for me emotions play a very huge part in my life, and I think emotions, I'll go with emotions. So the next question we have here is, it was asked by Shruti as well as by Catherine. So the question was, secret behind your lovely hair and drop a hair care routine. Oh god, ask my mom. I mean, just go and ask my mom. She'll just start shouting about it. She keeps on scolding me कि अपने बालों का ध्यान रखा करो, ये लगाओ, वो लगाओ, ये करो, वो करो. I don't do any of it, guys. Trust me, I don't do anything. I just don't do. I know I should, and I promise I'll start, doing something, and then I'll surely share the hair care routine which Catherine wants me to share. And the next question is asked by Shivangi Karnatak. She was my school friend, and then it's been years we guys didn't meet. And Shivu, I miss you. So the question is, if you sweat in a sweater, aren't you the sweater? 2 minutes of silence for Shivangi Karnatak, guys. क्या question पूछा है पागल औरत. Next question is by Muskan. Yes, I ignored you. Next question is by Muskan. How are you coping up with your changing life? Tell us in detail. Okay. You know what? To be honest, the only intention of asking this question of this girl was so that I praise about her. मैं उसकी थोड़ी सी तारीफ कर दूँ. Muskan, you're the best. Lots of love. Reason being, my college has started and our online classes have started, and she's one of the person जो अभी जिसकी वजह से मैं झेल पा रही हूँ ये सब online classes and all. So I think reason behind coping out with the changing life is you, Muskan. Next question is by Snehal. How do you do that cute Kathak wala style? Cute Kathak wala?
Oh, this.
I don't know. I just don't know why I do it and how I do it. I just love doing it. This has become like a step now, a signature step of mine. Just enough. Next question is by Kritasha and another friend of mine who didn't want me to mention his name. So the question is, changes in you from first year to third year and your favorite first year memory. Changes in me. I mean, it's a 3-year thing, okay? I mean, I did BCom and it was like for 3 years, obviously. So there are a lot of changes which definitely took place as a person, also like mentally, and all I'll say is I'm just loving the person who I am right now. That doesn't mean कि मुझे पसंद नहीं है पहले मैं कैसी थी and all of it. But then it's like बस I am loving what is happening right now and like as in my life, and I am comfortable with it. I started YouTube, which I really wanted to start from a long time. And I think the major changes which took place were basically I have learned to stand up for myself, first of all. Secondly, I'm just more confident now. Yeah, that's all I can say. And my favorite first year memory. This question is asked by Kritasha. So in your favor, Kritasha, the time we spent in canteen. Next question is by Merin. Why so pretty? Thanks, bro. Sorry for the hair flip. Thank you so much for the compliment, Merin. And why so pretty? I don't know. Ask my mom and my dad. Next question is by Harshal. What was the worst phase in your life and how did you cope up with it? I believe, like, I personally believe this, that अभी तक जितना भी life मैंने जिया है, it was good enough, but then I am sure कि आगे इससे भी ज़्यादा बड़ी बड़ी problems आने वाले हैं. मतलब अभी तक जो problems आई है मेरे life में, ऐसे नहीं है कि it was like very problematic or something. No, life has been like really good and worst phase कुछ नहीं है. अब तक तो कुछ नहीं है. क्योंकि थिंकिंग ऑफ द फ्यूचर आई डोंट थिंक अभी तक कुछ है. ऐसे कुछ नहीं है कि मैं कह रही फ्यूचर में बहुत बुरा होने वाला है एंड ऑल. नो, आई एम श्योर इट इज गोइंग टू बी ग्रेट. बट देन द स्मॉल डिफिकल्टीज विच कम, वो तो सबके लाइफ में आती है. सो नॉट अ बिग थिंग. एंड हाउ डिड यू कोप अप विद इट? कोपिंग अप विद डिफिकल्टीज, जस्ट कीप वन थिंग इन योर माइंड. हर बुरी चीज़ के बाद एक अच्छी चीज़ होती ही है. मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा ये होता है, अगर कुछ बुरा हुआ है तो ट्रस्ट में कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा होगा ही, फॉर श्योर, डेफिनेटली. ओह माय गॉड, ये बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस हो रहा है. लेट्स नॉट मेक इट दैट सीरियस. मेरा काजल फैल गया क्या? नहीं. मूविंग ऑन. मेधा, डू यू फील द कॉन्स्टेंट प्रेशर टू कीप थिंकिंग ऑफ न्यू कंटेंट इन ऑर्डर टू स्टे कंसिस्टेंट? ना, अभी तो नहीं. my YouTube journey has just started, just begin, and I'm sure आगे बहुत मस्त चीज़ें मिलने वाली है तुम लोगों को देखने के लिए. एंड अभी तो मुझे कुछ ऐसा प्रेशर फील नहीं होता मेरा एज सच कि यू नो टू स्टे कंसिस्टेंट एंड ऑल. बट देन आई लेट यू नो इफ आई फील समथिंग लाइक दैट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बाय कृष्णा. क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? ये और भी 2-3 लोगों ने पूछा है. ठीक है, क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? हाँ, हमारे टूथपेस्ट में नमक है. आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So a lot of you guys have asked this question. What inspired me to start YouTube channel? I always wanted to start a YouTube channel and मुझे करना था यार ये. मतलब I used to watch YouTube videos and all. मुझे लगता था हाँ मैं भी ये करूँगी, मुझे भी करना है. But then I never had the courage, not courage, but then पता नहीं, I just never started it. And then quarantine made me do this, and I just went for it. What I really wanted to do since a very long time, I just went for it and I did it, and I'm really happy with it. Next question is by Shreya Suman. The question is how do you bake such amazing desserts? Teach me too. Oh my god, she is a sweetheart, guys. So she is also a new friend of mine मेरे new college में जो है. And then श्रेया, पुणे आ जा, बना के दूंगी, खा लेना, सिखा भी दूंगी, डोंट वरी. एंड इतने भी अच्छे नहीं बनाती मैं, मुझे और सीखने हैं. सो या श्रेया, पुणे आ जा, तुझे खिलाऊंगी पक्का और सिखा भी दूंगी, प्रॉमिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बाय महिमा. लव टूवर्ड्स मिस्र. ओ माई गॉड, मिस्र का नाम मत ले यार, बहुत ज़्यादा मिस कर रही हूँ मैं मिस्र को, पता है. समथिंग आई एम मिसिंग अ लॉट. But then again, COVID, you cannot go out. All I'll say is I miss Misr. I miss you, Misr. Comment down below if you also love Misr. Misr lovers. Sorry. Yeah, Yashashvi, who was my friend since I cannot even count how many years. Bro, it's been a long journey, dude. Yeah. So her question is, I don't know our best memory, but still tell me the best memory of us and how much do you love me. I love you. इससे ज़्यादा पीछे नहीं जा सकती हूँ इतना सारा. Okay. And then our best memory है तो बहुत सारी, but सारी पुरानी, because it's been a long time we didn't meet. Yeah, dude, when we met in APS, I mean, I was so happy कि उस स्कूल में भी हम साथ में, अब इस स्कूल में भी हम लोग साथ में रहेंगे. I was very happy at that time, and of course I cannot ignore the part where we used to dance together in hallway. Oh my god, that was the best. Yeah, and also that parade thing जहाँ पे हम लोग वो स्कूल के captains and all of it. Best. So the next question is by Achal, and this question says, what would be the one edible thing that you can never give up? Pizza. I can never give up on pizza. I mean, it's been long I didn't eat it, and that's why Pooja bought me a pizza the other day. But then also gulab jamun, also noodles, Maggie bhi. No. You asked one, and I'll say, yeah, there's a tough competition between gulab jamun and pizza, okay? So, gulab jamun या pizza? दोनों. I cannot leave gulab jamun and pizza. Yeah, so इतने questions काफ़ी है, I guess, इस वाली वीडियो के लिए. And thank you so much, guys, for sending me questions. And I've got the best YouTube audience, trust me. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, बुरा मत मानना जिन लोगों के questions नहीं पूछे हैं, मैं next part में ज़रूर पूछूंगी, and I'll ask you guys to ask me more new questions as well. You can also comment down below new questions you want to ask me for the next video. And if you want part 2 is coming right up. So that's all for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much. Lots of love.